Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture, we'll be learning how to change units in SolidWorks. To start, let's open the file we were previously working on, which is the shaft arm. So we'll click on this and select the shaft arm and select open, and let's open the drawing as well. Click back on the folder, select the shaft arm and open. So we have the drawing and the part file open. And one trick that I use to navigate between both file that I have open in SolidWorks right now is you press the R button. So the R button brings up your recent documents, and you can select whichever one you want to navigate to. So remember the R button. And so now we have this part file, and let's just go into the sketch, and we can see that this drawing is in inches. And the way I went into the sketch is you click on this drop down, right click on the sketch and click the edit sketch. So that's how I get into this scene, and that's how you get into the edit sketch mode. And now we can see the sketch is in inches, so we want to change it to millimeters. So what we do is click this options box up here. We want to go into document properties, units, and inches we want to change it to millimeter. And over here you can change how many decimal places you want it and the angle and all that stuff, and you click OK. As you can see, now the sketch has been changed to millimeters, and we can exit out of it. Now this document is in millimeter. Let's press the R button and select the drawing. The drawing is also in inches. We want to go back into the document, the options again, document properties, units, select millimeter, click OK. As you can see, the unit has changed to millimeters. That is pretty much how you change units in SolidWorks. Remember, options, document properties, units. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.